In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete emails on Zoho Mail. Whether you're spring cleaning your inbox or simply trying to clear out some space, it's very straightforward to do. Deleting emails efficiently can make your inbox much easier to manage. Let's dive in and walk through the process together. To start, you'll need to navigate to the Zoho Mail website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the Zoho Mail URL or use your existing bookmark if you have one. Once you're there, make sure you log into your account using your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your main email dashboard, which is the starting point for all your email interaction. Now that you're signed in, go ahead and click on the inbox on the left-hand side of the screen. The inbox is your main hub for all incoming emails, and it's often the place that needs the most decluttering. Clicking on it will display all the emails you've received, ready for you to review. Next, you'll need to choose an email or multiple emails that you want to delete. You can do this by scrolling through your list of emails and deciding which ones you no longer need. Whether they are old newsletters, promotions, or emails you've already responded to, just browse through and make your selection. Once you've identified the emails you wish to delete, you'll notice a small checkbox located next to each email on the left side. These checkboxes are designed for selecting multiple emails easily. Click on the checkbox next to each email you want to delete. This will select the email and prepare it for the deletion process. If you want to select multiple emails, simply keep checking the boxes next to all the ones you plan to remove. With your emails selected, it's time for the final step. Look at the top of your email list. You should see a row of icons that allow you to perform various actions. Among these icons is a trash can symbol, which represents the delete option. Click the trash can icon to delete the selected emails. And just like that, the selected emails will be moved to the trash folder. Keep in mind that emails in the trash are not permanently deleted right away. They remain there for a predetermined period just in case you change your mind and want to recover them. But once you empty the trash or the retention period elapses, they will be permanently deleted. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to delete emails on Zoho Mail. Clearing out unwanted emails can help keep your inbox tidy and ensure you're only focusing on the messages that really matter to you. Thank you for watching and happy organizing!